everyone, Bob Biker 46 here. Today I am going to show you my balls without offending anybody. How do you like that? Well, take a look. This is just a little, it's just a little free tutu. So, we're gonna get right with it. You like to look up my tutu? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna switch you guys around and I'm gonna take you over and show you what we're gonna do here shortly. So, and I can't switch you around. So we're gonna just do it like this. I'm gonna turn this on. And we are gonna GoPro what we're doing. We're inside of a barn. And I am doing some animal control work here. So, let's get down in here. Let's get right into it. See what we got in here. Can you all see that? Huh? Mr. Stinky. Mr. Stinky. So, okay. Let's get back to me. Pink Tutu. We are going to shut this one down so I can get my other cameras going. We're going to bag this up. We're going to bag up the whole live trap. Skunk and all. Black garbage bag. And then we're going to relocate him. Alright, so I will see you here shortly. We're going in. We got our garbage bag. We got our pink tutu on. Tutus for Tatas. We all love our Tatas. There's Mr. Stinky. Mr. Stinky in there. He's not really too happy with me. Mr. Stinky. So, let's try and see if we can get this prop up here. And we're going to try to do this. We're going to try and do this without getting anybody stinky, without getting a tutu stinky. Oh, it got pretty dark. Okay, so here we go, fellas, boys and girls, however you want to say it. Generally, with skunks, if you calm, when you talk nice, and we haven't been talking so nice because we're doing video, but generally, you don't get sprayed. So, we're going to hope that generally, you don't spray me. You guys farted in a bag before, right? This is kind of like farting in a bag, man. Stinker in a bag. You do not want to get bit by a skunk. Skunks are big rabies carriers. He's a little nervous because there's a little bit of stink. He let out a little queef. So, okay, he's all bagged up. And everything's good. Everything's all good. All bagged up. And we're going to head out to the great outdoors to relocate him.